Hi, welcome to this SQL tutorial video, and today I'm going to show you a really easy way of creating comma-separated lists using SQL. So, as an example, what I want to do is I want to see all of the departments and I want to see a long list of employees and their offices for each department. So I want to see a single line with a department finance, a single line with human resources, and a single line of IT. And then in a long list, I want to see all the employees with their offices as the third column. So to begin with, let's get the information that we want to see, which is here. I'm going to comment out the values that I want in my delimited field, and I'm going to create a third column, and we're going to use a new function that we haven't used before called string ag. And this function, there's a little bit to this, but the first bit, start brackets, it needs two values, two parameters. The first is what you want to see in your string. So let us just begin with the full name first of all, and then what the delimiter is going to be. So let's say it's going to be a comma and we end brackets. Now that isn't the end of it. We then need to type within group, and we need to say in the same way as other aggregate functions, we need to give it a group, and we're going to group by the values, these two values here. So we're going to say order by, and we're going to use these two values. And the final thing we need to do is say group by with the same two values. And if I run that, we get a nice, very quick, comma-separated list. Actually, what we wanted though was the full name and, well, first of all, let's just give this an alias so we've got a nice header. What we want is the employee name and their office. So what we can do in here is we can say, we can concatenate a string using our plus and say, give us the office. We run that. And now what we see in here is employee name and then the office. And then the comma and then the next employee. And we can possibly say, we'll put the office in brackets. We run that. And then it just makes it a little bit easier to see. We've got the employee and the office in brackets, then a comma, then the next employee. We can add a space after the comma just to make it a little bit cleaner again. And the way this works, if we were only interested in showing the department name, we can get rid of the department code and get rid of it here. Get rid of it here. And we run this, and there's a way of just showing a single value and then the list. It's as simple as that, nice and quick. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks a lot for your time. See you next time.